Hi everyone, this is Jody Grundon, Virtual CFO and co-founder here at Summit CPA Group. I'd like to start this short video with a question. How do you manage your company's cash flow? The reason I'm asking is that my team and I were just discussing how cash flow management is one of the most common challenges we see with business owners today. Unfortunately, it can also be quite debilitating if not handled correctly. In this video, I want to talk about 3 bank accounts that we're going to recommend that you use to better manage your cash flow. But before I get started with that, cash flow problem can almost always be seen far in advance. Forecasting your cash is key to the company's financial success. Again, forecasting your cash is key to the company's financial success. If you're not 100% confident how your company is prepared for cash flow challenges, then you better start thinking about it, and better start thinking about it now, because cash is the financial lifeblood of your business. So let's get started, and I hope this really helps you get to where you need to be. Most companies manage cash flows, as you probably know, with just one bank account. And with just one account, it's very hard to stow away money for taxes, unexpected expenses, emergencies, or even opportunities that may come up. We found that a business should have at least 3 bank accounts, each with a different purpose. The first account is what we call our operating account. The operating account is used as your primary checking account and what you're probably already using your existing bank account for, like everyday expenses, payroll, or incoming revenue. I'm not going to talk a whole lot about the operating account because you probably got a good handle on that one already. The second account is your cash reserve account. This account is your emergency fund account, or a lot of people call it the rainy day account. This account is designed as a safety net, hopefully never used, but there in case. And you'd use it for, give yourself a cushion in the event customers pay late or maybe not even at all. It's designed to weather unforeseen circumstances. It's designed to take advantage of opportunities that fall in your lap. It's always better to borrow from yourself than borrow from a bank, and that's what this fund is designed for. Now, how much money should I keep between the 2 accounts? It comes up all the time. I'm going to recommend, if you're a product-based company, you're going to want to keep a minimum of 2 months worth of expenses in that account, and you want to shoot for 6 months of expenses. That would be a very solid goal for a product-based company. If you're a service-based company, 10% of annual sales across both accounts. Again, that would be a minimum. I would recommend shooting more towards a 20% figure, but 10% would be the bare minimum. So, for instance, if you have a $1 million top line revenue service-based company, then you're going to put $100,000 to $200,000 in that account at all times. Extremely important. The third account, which is what we have, is called our tax reserve account. This account is used to stow away money for federal, state, and local taxes. We recommend that you fund this account on a weekly basis, then based on forecasted net income, pay out this account quarterly for your taxes there. But it's important to keep this account funded, not wait until the last second to try to fund it there. If you want to get a sense how much money you should set aside for the tax reserve account each week, take 40% of your projected net income, your bottom line net income for rolling 12 months, and build the account to that number. As an example, if you're expecting $1 million in net income this year, then you'd want to set aside or keep aside about $400,000 in that account to cover that. Contribute weekly and then disperse on a quarterly basis. So these are the 3 accounts that we're talking about setting up. Again, you've got your operating account, your cash reserve account, and your tax reserve account. And having all 3 of these will help you better manage your company's cash flow. If you'd like to learn more about how you can help your company out, we've got a ton of free resources on our website at www.summitcpa.net, or feel free to call me directly. My phone number is 260-918-8822. If you're already on the site, just click the free resource button at the top. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this short video today. I hope it's been helpful.